Okay, so this is part 3. All right, so what happens is this. If ammonium, this is hard. This is difficult. This is not easy. Okay? This is not easy. If ammonia is a weak base, what does that mean? If it's a weak base, what does that mean? No, if it's a weak base, it means this isn't really going to happen much, is it? Right? It's not going to happen much, right? So what's preferred? This side or this side? This side, right? Right? This side's right? Okay, good. So if I have this in solution, is that anything going to happen to that? Is anything going to happen to that? No, nothing's going to happen to that. Right? Nothing. Correct? Okay. But, so I can ignore that, correct? This is hard. Remember I tell you if something's hard. This is really, really hard. But I can see that I've at least half of you with me. This is really good. You guys have done very well today. Very impressive. Okay. So, this way is preferred. Correct? Okay. This we can get rid of. Right? Yes or no? Okay. So I have this. Plus the water. I can put water in. I can if I want to. Right? I don't really need to. Shall I get rid of the water? We don't really need it. No, you know what? I'll use it anyway. Okay. So, if this way is preferred, what is this going to become? Isn't it going to be NH3 plus, I'm going to put a hydrogen on here, and I'm going to have, because an acid is not necessarily the production of hydrogen ion. It's the production of the hydronium ion. That's really important. You get that? You get that? When a chemist says to you, this is an acid. If a chemist says to you, that's the operational component of an acid. Do you know what they're really saying? They're saying that's shorthand for what they really mean. What they're really saying is, and that's on one of the videos I'm going to download tonight. It explains that. You get it? All right. So if this is going to go this way, which is the same as this way, what am I producing here? What am I producing? I'm producing hydronium. So is this going to be in solution an acid or a base? What's it going to be? No. Listen, guys, listen. What am I producing? Aren't I producing the hydronium ion? Yes. Aren't I? Yes. Is that hydronium ion confusing you? Is it? What am I producing? Aren't I producing H plus? Aren't I? Yeah. So if I put that in solution and I produce that, is this considered an acid or a base? It's considered an acid. Do you see why? Yes or no? Yes. You sure? Yes. That's really, really cool stuff. Are you through? Okay, you get it? We're done.